Tiger beetles are the speediest insects on land. Moving at up to 170 body lengths per second, they're 20 times faster than Usain. This little bolt of lightning is so fast, even his eyes can't keep up. So when he's out hunting, he has to stop to look for lunch. Well, hello. A delicious fruit fly dying in the heat. A master of hunting at the shoreline. He can dine and dash. Going where he likes. Eating what he likes. Sandhoppers. Snack size and plenty of them. But one false move, and these guys are out like popcorn.